Hey there, folks, it's David Rush. For this week's Guinness World Records title attempt, I'm going back to a classic, a record held back in 2017 for longest duration balancing a chainsaw on the forehead. It was 3 minutes then, went 5 minutes 1 second. Somebody else broke it, had it at 6 minutes 48 seconds, and here I am taking it back. Balancing a chainsaw on the forehead is quite a bit more difficult than on the chin, because when it's on the chin, you can see the top of the chainsaw, and it tips a little bit. You can see it adjust, keep the balance underneath it. When it's on the forehead, it blocks the vision, so all I can see is the bottom of the chainsaw, and so it makes it much more difficult to keep it balanced on the forehead. Still went 31 minutes, 25 seconds. Come on.
3, 2, 1, go.